Here comes the train. There's black smoke. Here comes the 4014. At last, the 4014 has arrived. I'm lucky to have gotten this close.
What time is it now?
I think to put this in perspective on how long this is, the engine and tender, because one needs the other. I think if you put it on a football field, from the end zone, they go to the 44-yard line. Okay, so it's pretty long. These two fellows right in front of me are the Union Pacific Railroad Police. One is a special agent, the other one is a hazmat special agent. There's 3 drones flying right up there. Yeah, mine doesn't need to be in the mix. My luck, I'd be the one who would run into one of the other ones. They just gave the notice that the train will be leaving in just a few minutes. I want to show you a couple of automobiles that are fitting to the event.
I got nailed there for Rinaldi's.
I don't think that's big.
Not big enough? We're watching the boys. And get the little boys. Oh, the little boys.
All Fords. This must be a Ford only club. I'll say it was a bit of a surprise to see these pulling up. Yeah, see, this is got a Garmin on the windshield. You can always update. You can always update them a little bit with different devices. So this is a building. I don't know. I'm just guessing. It's a barber. Was a barber shop. It's hard telling. What an interesting survivor though. There's really nothing left inside. There's an old bed springs over there against the wall, and there's one of those old hot water radiators in there. That's about it in this room. Yeah. It's cool, the old door is still intact, minus the hardware. There's where the old electric lines went to the building. So here's the side of that motel, the general store and motel. It says keep out, unsafe structure. So Modena, Utah is clearing out pretty good. Hard to say when there'll be visitors like that again. But here's that building right here on Main Street. And it's kind of creepy here. There's this hallway that must go down into the basement. Wonder if there's any treasures down there. And what's cool is too that upstairs, look, that door up there is wide open. Too bad there wasn't a ladder or some steps going up to it. But yeah, it's an unsafe structure for sure. Love this old antique hardware, but it's all boarded up.